QS stock analysis and QS stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play in everything with QuantumScape stock. First thing on the list is going to be that, you know, context. I've done 42,000 videos over 5 years. I've seen what's making me money and what's not. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. And without a doubt here, look at this. Such a bearish market. I mean, this doesn't even just start here. This is where it began, really. This is like, I think, 1.5, maybe 2 years ago. Let's see. Yeah, 1st of August 2023. So now in the summer, it's about to be freaking 2 years since this thing began being bearish for me. And I guess it is what it is, right? It was sitting at 12 at the time. Now we're 4. If there is a double break, there's still nothing stopping me from selling. So I'll obviously continue to keep you updated. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.